if Streamlabs Desktop is crashing for you and you want to resolve this issue? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to delete the cache for Streamlabs. So first of all, you need to open Streamlabs Desktop in your system. Now at the bottom you can see settings. Just tap on settings, and after that you need to click on get support option. Just press on get support, and you need to scroll down. From here you can see cache this directory. So you can see there's an option of delete cache and restart. Just press on this, and you will lose your all data. It's okay, just press on OK, and it will restart your Steam. So let the Steam restart once again. So the step number 2 is to enable crash reporting. For this you need to again go to the settings in your Streamlabs Desktop. You need to click on get support, and you need to scroll down. Here you can see crash reporting is showing here, enable reporting. So just need to press here, click here once, and click on done, and you just need to restart your Streamlabs and it will be activated. Now you can restart it once again. Now again go to the settings and see whether it is enabled or not. Click on get support, scroll down to see it, and now you can see it is now enabled. So crash reporting are now enabled. So the step number 3 is to create a new folder. So first of all you need to turn off this Streamlabs, and you need to go to Windows search. So in Windows search you need to go to and type %appdata%, and you need to open this folder. And after opening this folder you need to look for another folder which is slobs-client. So this is the slobs-client. Just open this, and you need to right click here and create a new folder. Just press on this and click on folder, and you need to name the folder CrashMemoryDump. So now this is created now, CrashMemoryDump. So I will give you all these steps in the video description as well, so check the description as well. So next step is to install Windows Update. So make sure to install all the updates for your Windows. And the next step is to update graphic drivers for NVIDIA and AMD. The next step is to install Microsoft Visual C++. I will share you the link in the video description. And if it still not work, you can uninstall and restore Streamlabs Desktop. And after following all these steps, make sure to restart your PC and check whether this will work for you or not. And if you face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.